The knock came at exactly 1 a.m. Half asleep, Mia checked her phone. "Mum, don't open the door. I'm still 20 minutes away." Another knock. "Mia," her mother's voice called from outside. "Let me in." Her stomach tightened. She looked through the peephole. Her mother was standing there, smiling. Then her phone buzzed again. "Mum, I'm serious. Whatever you do, don't look out the window." Slowly, Mia turned her head. Outside the living room window, her mother was staring in, frantically shaking her head no.